Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
So when you will select, you can able to take either on the username or on the basis of the user. Okay, all these options are available here. Okay, that is under the people pool. Okay, again you have another screen, another section that is known as exclude these people from the group. So excluding these people from the group means already you created some member, and among that member, if you want to exclude some member who is basically from that location or a particular job role or something. If that is the case, then you will use the second section. And in 99% we will be more focusing on the first section only. That is this one. Choose the group member from the people pool. Okay, so whatever members you are choosing, you can see here. You can click on update. It will be updating and it will be get updated here. Okay, when you click on this member, you can see here the first name, middle name, last name, job code, location. All these things will be start reflecting here. Okay, so that will be showing under the active group numbers. Okay, and once it is being done, when you click on done, the group will be created and it will be showing as a dynamic, because we have used this option as a dynamic. Okay, static is something like you are importing a CSV file. And one more thing, if you are using static for creating a permission group and in the future if you want to make any changes, you cannot able to go and make the changes manually from here. Again, you have to import the file with that changes created and maintain it in the CSV format. Okay, that is the difference between a what you call dynamic and the static one. When you go here, in a real time also, you can able to go and see. Lot of permissions groups will be there, and after that same name you will have the permissions roles also will be there. Okay, for example now this is about the permission group. Now, if you want to go and create a permission group, how will you go and create? So I can able to go and create something. Okay, here leadership team. Okay, now, coming into the play pool category, I can directly go and search the username or user and I can able to select it. But if I just want to show you, suppose here if I am going with and let's take an example as an Alex. And let me this is an organization information. And you can see here, company, business, individuals will be there. So let me check here. What are the categories which is relevant? We have a division, right? When you select division, what is the division here? This one. Okay. So I can copy it. Okay. I can. It is not mentioned. So again you have a job code and job level. So something, you have anything. Yeah, let me see. Department is there. Okay. So let me go and see the department here. So here I already added it. So if I want to add another category, I'm just showing you. I can directly type the name of the user. But if you how you can able to go in. So if I'm selecting that department. So what is the number of the department? I will select here. Copy it. And you can select here. Paste it. You can see the leadership team department will be there. Select it and let me see. How many members are showing? 4 members are there. Got it. So how you are able to show this? I'm just breaking the people into multiple categories. So that I can show you how you can able to filter. Otherwise, I can directly take the name of the user and I can able to select it OK. Now rest. I don't have to do anything. I'm not going to exclude the people from the category and I'm just taking on. Done. So once it is been done, you can see the group name will be showing here and who are the members in that group that will be showing here. Okay. Now coming into the permission rule. So when I want to go into the permission role, so permission group is being created. So I'm just clicking on Chancer. Similarly here also you can click on Create Me. Okay. You can specify the same name here also. And select the permissions under the permission setting. Okay. And I'm under the user permission. For testing, I can able to take employee central effectorator and I'm only taking the view permission. Okay. And in the employee data also. I'm only taking the view permission. Okay. And an employee, I'm not using anything and I can click on done. Okay. Now you can see here, only the view permissions are there. Okay. So first you give the view permission. Okay. After giving the view permissions, you can click on grant this role to. That is the second step. Okay. By clicking on add here. Okay. So you have a permission group, right? So what is the name of the permission group? Select the permission group. So what is the name of the permission group? BR leadership. So click on this. You can see, this is the permission. This will be permission group which will be reflecting here. Okay. And then you can click on here. And then you are clicking on done.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.